Welcome to DasCafe, and I am Das. And today I want to prepare for you a recipe that I learned about when I was a teen. I saw it in the Washington Post, and it also had a writing about the elderly lady who was the originator of that recipe. I guess it was her signature recipe. And I tweaked it a little bit, and I want to prepare that for you. And it is spoon cornbread. And so after I do that, I am going to talk a little bit about bone health because I do have some concerns about bone health that I want to share with you. But please subscribe and share with everyone. Like me and come and visit me often. So we're getting ready to make that spoon cornbread. We're going to make it over on the stove, and it's very simple. So stay tuned. We're ready to make that spoon cornbread, and first I want to start with 1 cup of cornmeal. Now I'm using the cornmeal with self-rise. If you don't have a self-rise cornmeal, you don't have to. Just get regular cornmeal, and then you want to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. But since it's already in the cornmeal, you're going to add this 2 tablespoons of melted margarine. I'm using the no trans fat. And then 100% pure maple syrup. You can't beat the taste of 100% maple syrup. It's gonna cost a little bit more, but I tell you, it's worth it. But if not, you can just use regular syrup. Egg whites, which are liquid egg whites with no yolk. I just get the store brand, and I'm stirring it because I want to boil this. But I'm going to stir it real well. It also calls for half a teaspoon of salt. I'm blending that. And then we're going to let this boil. Once I get the lumps out, then I'm going to turn it up. I'm going to turn the heat up. I'm going to turn it up to medium. And I'm going to stir so it doesn't stick. And then I'm going to transfer it to a baking dish, and I'm going to bake it at 450 for about 25 to 35 minutes. When you insert a knife in the middle and it comes out clean, then you're okay. Otherwise, you may need to cook it a little bit more, depending on your oven. Because I'm also, once it's baked, let it set a while, and then I'm going to cut it, serve it, and drizzle some maple syrup over it. Please help me. It is so good. It's thick. Put it in the oven. Well, I want you to subscribe, and I will see you next show.